Welcome to Steve's Kitchen. Today we are making spare ribs in a healthy way and tasty. That's my style. So let me show you the ingredients we are going to use. Spare ribs, cayenne pepper, white vinegar, maple syrup, rice vinegar, salt, sesame oil, soy sauce. So the first thing we're doing, we're taking 2 cups of white vinegar and we're gonna give the spare ribs a bath. So what do? You just let the vinegar go inside to the ribs. You see, with these spare ribs, we're not using any sugar. We're using a lot of we're using really good spices. We're just gonna empty the vinegar we had, you see? So now what we do, we're gonna put some salt right on the top of the spare ribs. In my hand, I have 1 teaspoon right now. We're gonna flip the spare ribs over. So all together, we use 1 teaspoon of salt. So now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna put the spare ribs in the oven. I'm gonna let them cook for 30 minutes. I preheated the oven already to 450. We are making the marinade for the spare ribs. 1/3 of a cup of soy sauce, 1/3 of a cup of rice vinegar. So we're gonna use 1/4 of a cup with sesame oil. Okay, 1/3 of a cup of maple syrup, 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and that's it. That's the magic mix. So right now we're gonna give it a nice mix, have it ready. So when the spare ribs come out, we're just gonna brush them. So these spare ribs are been cooking for 30 minutes, 450. We're gonna flip them now. What we're gonna do, we're gonna slice the spare ribs. We're gonna give it a mix. Wake up the spices. And I will take the brush and just put it right on the top. I want the flavors to go right inside the ribs, you know? Okay, we're gonna put it back in the oven now for 10 minutes and cook it a little. Okay, the ribs are looking good. We're gonna flip them over, put some more marinade. So these ribs don't have any flour. We didn't add any sugar. We did add maple syrup, but they're not fried. They don't have cornstarch. But these spare ribs, I think you feel good about eating them. I mean, you're not gonna eat them all the time. All right, so we're just gonna put them in, let them cook. They look amazing. You see, you let them cook a little bit more, then the sauce goes right into the ribs.
So what is this? It's amazing. It's amazing.
This is a special treat.
Yeah.
This is spare ribs. So I figured out a way how to do the spare ribs to taste good without bad ingredients. How about you take a bite and you let me know what do you think? Time, love, and care. I mean, you taste all the different spices. It's not too sweet. You know, you taste the cayenne pepper. But you can tell the good ingredients into the spare rib. I mean, what did we use? We use sesame oil. We use a little bit of soy sauce, rice vinegar, and some cayenne pepper. Not a lot of salt, only 1 teaspoon of salt for all the ribs. And when I make this, I feel good, you know, as a person. You know what I mean? But I think if you have kids and you want to make that, maybe you skip the cayenne pepper or you put a little less cayenne pepper, because I feel like it's a little spicy, but I like it because it gives you a nice heat. It doesn't burn you, but like, it has a nice feel to it.
Jeez, yeah.
I see you're really enjoying it, Alex.
They are delicious.
That makes me happy.
Yeah.
Good food, good energy.
Every day.